Today, fellas, I came to a conclusion. PPF, ceramic, or neither? Let's jump in. All right, Tesla, the world's EV, fellas. So, real quick, guys, let's just roll the tape. Roll the tape. All right, fellas, I'm on my way to get this PPF. Let's jump into why. All right, Tesla, the world's EV. It's your boy Abraham here. Remember, guys, help me help you. You know what it is. Don't forget, hit that referral link, man. If you're buying a new Tesla, get that $1,000 off. It's in my bio. It's in my links. It's everywhere. Anyways, let's jump right into this. I'm getting PPF because, excuse me, I recently discovered after washing my car, I already have about 4 to 5 nicks. I only had the car for about 3 months. The front of a Tesla, it's not your typical car. It doesn't have no grill. So that thing is just eating rocks. So I finally cracked, guys. I was seriously thinking about it for a long time. Then I forgot about it. And now, after wiping my front bumper and kind of a few nicks on my hood as well, after wiping my bumper and seeing my hood, I have now pretty much decided I'm getting PPF. Oh, yeah. So anyways, yeah, what that guy said. Anyways, I finally cracked, fellas. I finally cracked. I did it. I got the PPF, and I didn't want to necessarily, but in order for me to drive in peace without, being on the freeway. Oh no, a rock. Oh no, a rock. Oh no, a rock. Once again, like I said, guys, the Tesla grills are not typical grills. They don't have a grill. It's just all paint. So that thing is it's eating rocks all day. If you don't drive on the freeway, if you don't drive on the highway all day, or every day, then maybe necessarily not worth it for you. But if you are on the freeway, like me, every day, then PPF, trust me, will save the day. Bars. But anyways, so yeah, guys, ceramic, pointless, useless, pointless. Not worth it. I don't see why people even get ceramic. Some people say they want to wash their car easier. Don't see a point. PPF is expensive, very expensive. To wrap the whole car is like $5,000. I mean, I didn't necessarily know that until I found out when I was asking around. And I was like, oh, okay, so yeah, I'm not doing that. So... But partial front, I got a good deal. Partial fenders, full front, all hood, full hood. I don't know what I just said. And side mirrors. I got a good deal, fellas, over here at XPEL in Las Vegas. So, once again, is it worth it? Maybe. If you can do it yourself, do it. Don't spend the money. I don't have the time or environment to do it. It's supposed to be like dustless and hairless. I have a German Shepherd. Do the math. So, yeah, that's that. I wasn't going to sit there and do that for hours. It's too tedious, of a job to do by yourself, definitely. You would probably definitely need help. I did see a few YouTube guys. I did go back and forth with this cool guy in the comment section about on a YouTube video pertaining to PPF. So, once again, I would recommend it if you are doing a lot of freeway driving, you don't have the time or patience, and you do kind of have a little bit of pocket change. I wouldn't say pocket change. If you do have the money, let's just say that. So, here are the finishing touches. All right, fellas. I got the full front. Well, not the full front. I got the front bumper, partial front, and the fenders. And the full hood. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I mean, I didn't think it was gonna look like this, to be 100. I did not think it was gonna look like this. So I'll probably have to get some better maybe lighting. Let's get it like completely in the day. But I mean, it's more of a reflection now. PPF is A1. I think it's more than worth it. I have a sense of security now when I'm driving, which was the main issue. So there you go, man. PPF, well worth it. Now I ain't got to worry about rocks tearing this grill up, man. Okay, yeah. There's the finishing touches, guys. Now, it does look, it's more mirrorish, which is kind of cool. I can see my reflection way more, which is cool. But once again, guys, I did not want to originally do it. It took me a few months to kind of come to that conclusion, and it was only due to the rock chips I had already noticed, which was about a few. So there's that, guys. PPF is somewhat worth it. If you're not driving on the freeway, I would probably say you can get away with not having PPF. I don't necessarily see your car getting rock chips unless you like to be around semi-trucks, or unless you live around semi-trucks, unless you drive around semi-trucks, or you just have bad luck. But other than that, man, if you're on the highway or the freeway pretty frequently, I would definitely look into getting PPF. If you can do it yourself, do it yourself. Save the money. But that's all I got. Tesla, Tesla, the world's EV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. Help me help you. Guys, also, if you're buying a Tesla, don't forget it's 1.99 APR right now. Hit that referral link if you want $1,000 off. You'd be bloody mental to not hit the referral link, okay? Bloody mental. So hit that referral link. It is in my bio. It is everywhere on my page. It's on my Instagram. It's on this. It's on my forehead. Yeah, you guys get the gif. I'm outros.